My name is Eryka, and today I'm going to walk you through the products that we offer here at CleanTools and how you can use them to wash your car at home. I'm going to take you through washing, drying, and even detailing. This is our premium blend wool mitt. I like it for a few reasons. The first is that it's a thick pile and it's going to trap and hang onto dirt a lot easier than a microfiber mitt. The next is that it's going to hang onto a lot of soap and water. That means less dips into the bucket. In this one, I'm going to have my wheel brush, just some soap and water. That's for the wheel cleaning only. And this one is going to be my wash mitt, just for the body. This is our Absorber XL. You can find it in any automotive retail store. I personally like using this one because it has a textured surface to it, allowing it to glide across the car a little bit easier. Follow it up with our glosser. It's our exterior quick detailing wipe. It's pre-moistened with cleaners and wax. It's going to prolong the life of your wax, and it's also good for in-between washes if you're looking to get light dirt or fingerprints off your car. My last step is going to be the interior. For this, I like to use our dash gear. It's a really fine microfiber, it's machine washable, no chemicals are needed. It's going to pick up any fingerprints or dust that's on your dash.